Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. So today we'll be continuing our tutorial and we'll continue from how to install themes inside your WordPress, which is like a subtopic under WordPress setup. So installing themes should be one of the first things you have to do when you get into your WordPress. In the coming video after this, I'll just list a few things everyone should do when they get into WordPress. Things like setting their permalinks, plugins to install, things to delete, like deleting the hello word or editing it, deleting the first comment and the rest. All these you can find in my website. I listed all in my personal website. You just have to visit my personal website. You go to blog posts, then you scroll down. You see how to start a blog. I wrote extensively A to Z of what anyone should do when they get into WordPress, how to start a blog entirely. I wrote about it. This is about 12,000 words. You see how to log into WordPress, your domain name.com/wp dash login. Here should be dash login hyphen rather. So I wrote about it, and this article was written sometime in 2020, but I published it late 2021. So this article is still up and running and active. Okay, so from time to time I'll be posting on my blog. So if you are new here today, please find the link somewhere around this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get the videos immediately they drop. Please do that. And if you are watching from Facebook, if you are watching from YouTube or elsewhere, please locate the Niche Blogging Nigeria. It's a free group for bloggers, nearly 3,000 members already. I post a lot of videos there to teach you how to set up your blog. I answer questions and the rest. So do well to also like this, also join this group, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow all our updates. So we'll go into installing themes on WordPress. But before we jump right into it, I'll be using this our web group WordPress dashboard. I'm taking it that I've logged into my WordPress dashboard. You should have done same. So you follow my processes from here. Before then, just know I've just created an offer, a very cheap and affordable offer. The link will be somewhere around this video. In this offer, I will be giving you all the videos you require to set up a blog from start to finish. There's a video here. You can watch this video to tell you more about this offer. I will also show you 4 niches that will pull more cash to your blog. You can earn as high as $1,000 if done properly. I'll list the niches, and I'll go into explaining each of these niches, how to set it up, how to run them, how to get content, how to get images, matching images, and all that. I'll also tell you how to write content in this niche professionally, how to rotate old posts, matching images, how to write this content in evergreen. You'll get it inside this offer. I'm taking it a step further by adding bonuses in this offer, by giving you tips and tricks on how to remove AdSense limitation and how to prevent it. And I'll also show you how to pull traffic from TikTok. There's a video that will show you how to pull traffic from TikTok. All you have to do is to locate this page. It should be somewhere around the description of this video. Locate this page, come here and get the offer. At this point of making this video, this offer is going for 5,000 naira or $9 if you are a foreign viewer. Get into this offer as fast as possible. As soon as this offer gets access to much more people, I'll move it to 25,000, but the actual price of this offer goes as high as 130k. So let's dive right into the tutorial. To install WordPress theme, the first thing, you log in to the WordPress, your website.com/wp-admin. This is the place it will log you into. You already have your WordPress logins from your email. In the previous video, how to install WordPress, the WordPress login from your email has been sent. Okay, and if you are confused, go watch other videos. It shows you step by step how to start, choose a name, buy a domain, install WordPress, set up Cloudflare, and why. Then the next thing you should do is you see this place. If you are on mobile, you'll see a menu at the top. When you click on it, it will show all those things. It might not be as many as this because we have installed a lot of things on this website, on this our platform. Okay, so all you have to do, you scroll down, you see appearance. When you see appearance, you click on themes. Now when you click on theme, what do? You click add theme. Normally you see some other themes here. There will be free theme that will be added already, but you'd have to add your own theme that befits what you need. So adding a theme, you click on add new at the top of the page. Two ways to add a theme. You can either upload the theme, that's after you have downloaded the zip file of the theme, or you search the name of the theme here. Most of this pro theme that has more features, if you search them here, you will not be able to see them. So that's why there's an option for you to download this pro theme from the creators and upload it here. But for the sake of this tutorial and the kind of blog we are running, we will not be needing pro theme. Everything is completely free because we are on budget, right? So taking it a step further, I'll give you some of my most recommended theme. I have 12 lists of theme I'll share to you. How to install them is what I've just shown you. Then I'll also give you 2 more of what I use mostly on our blog, and I'll also show you one of my blog, how the theme are being set, on what you should look out for on your theme design. Okay, so here the best theme I use most of the time because of the design. I use this blog stream. Yeah, blog stream looks sleek, advanced design and the rest. Don't worry about this long text. Inside the caption of this video, or somewhere around this video, you see a link of all the themes, so you can have access to this file. So don't stress it. So I have copied the blog stream, showing you an example how to search and install a theme. When you come here, you just search the theme. Note, you must have clicked add theme before you start searching. You can clearly see the blog stream. The reason I like this blog stream is because of the advanced design. It looks sleek, mobile friendly, and responsive. These are things you should look out for in a theme. And apart from that, what I look out for in a theme, specifically for my niche blog, is this theme must have a very good sidebar by the right or by the left, but it's best having a right sidebar. Then this theme must be 2 column. I'll show you an example now. This is an example of one of my niche blogs. So you can see the contents are by the left. Okay, the contents are by the left. I use matching images. The contents are by the left and the sidebar is by the right. Then obviously I label most of my ads. There should have been an ad at the top right here, but I'll tell you why it is not here at this moment in forthcoming videos. So this is something I look out for when choosing a theme. It should be sleek, easy, no too many tests. People can differentiate my posts from my ads, and most of my blog, well, some of my newer ones are using black background, so the ads can clearly differentiate themselves. But white background, black background, doesn't matter. Okay, so I've shown you how to search a theme. Upon searching this theme, for example, this is what you want to install, you click on install. When you click on install, you wait for it to load. It installs, then this button changes to activate. It is good you preview how it looks. Well, this preview will not work best because it will not show you as much as it would really look if you have activated it. Note, if this is for advanced, or would I say basic WordPress guys, if you have edited something in your theme, like in your functions.php, your header.php, if you install and activate a new theme, it will remove it from the website. If you go back to activate that previous theme, you won't see that content again. So have it in mind when editing things. Instead of editing directly into the themes, you should use plugin like add header and footer plugin, or use this add inserter plugin or add ace plugin. There's a lot of them. I'll teach you guys when we start installing plugins and the importance of this plugin. So you click activate. When you click activate, it's pretty easy. If you visit your website theme must have changed to something like this. All you have to do next is to come to menus, but first you just create your categories. I think we'll do all those in the coming video. But you create your various categories, you come to your menus. These menus is for you to set up menus like this, ones. That's why you need these menus to add or remove what you want. But for it to show, you must have added the categories. So that's pretty much about installing themes. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be getting these videos immediately they drop. And follow us on Facebook, on our group. It's an active group. A lot of people talk, a lot of people comment. I have more videos coming in. If you feel it's something you need, I would deeply advise that you go for this offer. I had put in my time and energy to create these videos for this offer. You'll be getting, in this first one, how to get started with a blog, you'll get about 7 videos. Here you will get about 4 different videos, because each of these videos will explain each of the niches. I like to make my video really short and straight to the point. Then here you get a video, you get 2 videos here. Then for the TikTok you get 1 video and examples. So all these are just pretty much what I'll show you, and also there will be a link for you to download some of the plugins I use, why I use it, and some docs too. I'll compile all this and I'll put it in a Google Drive. Those who have paid, I'll add their email, invite them to access this Google Drive, so that they can download and watch the content. And I can even take it a step further by even creating a group, adding everybody, making sure everybody gets success. So if this is something that you want to achieve, you want to know about these niches, how to properly run these niches, go ahead and go for it. I want to see you inside, and make sure you watch this video before you finally go inside. Thank you. Catch you in the next.